Hey there, design enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are about to dive into the incredible world of Canva AI. I am going to show you 6 amazing Canva AI features. So let's get started. Feature 1. Text-to-image generator. For all you social media enthusiasts, you can now turn any text into stunning images. Go to a social media and select any social media post. For example, I select Instagram post. When you are in, then go in the Apps tab. Now here, search text to image. Click on the first result. Now search something that you want to convert text to image. So I select an example from here by clicking on it. Now, choose your style from various options like retro wave, 3D, minimalistic, and more. Pick your aspect ratio and then hit generate. And after a few seconds, we got all of these 4 images created by Canva, as you can see here. It's that easy. Feature 2, Magic Design. To access Magic Design, just click on the Templates and there go to Business tab. Here you see Try Magic Design. To use Magic Design, click on Insert Media and select the image. You can also select the image from UPC. I have selected the image. Now it understands the content in your image and generates relevant designs. You can even customize the style that you want. Select the style and click on the See Results. Now you can see it changes the styles. You can also change the headline if you want to do that. So that is Magic Design in Canva. Feature 3, Magic Eraser. Moving on to a real game changer. Click on Create Design and select any design. Upload an image and select the image. Then click on the Edit Photo. And here I just go to Magic Eraser. Now I can point out any object in this picture. The object I point out will be removed. Feature 4, Magic Edit. Try Magic Edit to replace elements within the image. Select the image and click on the Edit Photo and go to the Magic Edit. For example, we want swap a glass with a rat. Point out the glass and then write a name of the object that you want to swap. Now simply click on Generate. We got all of these 4 images created by Canva, as you can see here. You can see a picture, Canva replaced the glass with the rat. It's that easy. Feature 5, Create presentations in seconds. Need to create presentations quickly? Canva's got your back. Go to Presentations. Click Canva Assistant and use Magic Design. Enter your topic. I try an example. Now you can choose your style and watch as Canva AI crafts a stunning presentation for you. When you are satisfied, click on the Create My Presentation button. When you click Enter, this will give you a complete presentation. You can even edit it to your liking. You can also change the font, color, or images as you want. You have done hours of work in seconds. How cool is that? Feature 6, AI Animated Videos with Voiceovers. Now, the last feature is creating AI animated videos with voiceovers. In the home screen, go to Apps, search Hagen in the search bar. Click on the Hagen and then click on Choose a New Design, and we will just pick Instagram Story. There are many avatars. Choose one person. Add your script. Then click on the Generate AI Video dot and let AI work its magic. Within seconds, you'll have a professional video ready to go. You can play the video to check it out.
Nice to meet you. I'm your presenter today.
And there you have it, folks. 7 extraordinary Canva AI features that can revolutionize your design and content creation. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to see more on AI and design videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.